What's up? What's up? This is your journeyman Raj Roy, and I'm back with another travel vlog. And today we're going to travel from Howrah to Pune in Duronto, and this is 1222 Howrah Pune Duronto. We're going to have lots of fun, and this journey is special because Railways has started its food catering once again. So we're going to have lots of fun, lots of food, amazing food, and an amazing trip. Right now I'm in station. The train is about to start in 10 minutes. I'm going to go to my coach. See you. So I'm inside my coach and it's 5:45 in the morning and it's very cold outside. And I'm going to go to my seat and we'll have fun. Stay tuned for the journey. The train is about to start in 2 minutes. So guys, finally I've settled down on my seat inside and it's 5:45 in the morning. Some people are still sleeping. This train starts at 5:45 and it's very cold and dark outside. Let me just show you. And the train has just now started as well, right on time. So we started from platform number 22. I think I've got a nice little seat to sit and make my vlogs. Early in the morning, pretty dark outside. So guys, something very important. I got a request from you. Well, now it's been almost 3 months since my channel is up and running and you've been seeing a lot of videos, and I do see that a lot of you watch the videos as well, and many of you like it as well. So just as a request to support and to motivate me further to keep on, so that I keep on making amazing videos, amazing trips and more amazing journeys, please just go and like and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you're always notified whenever I put a new video. So whoever is watching this video, please do this for the support. Thank you so much. Thank you. And not to forget to reach me directly if you want to talk to me, or you want to suggest any new routes, or if you want to meet me in my journey, you can just go to my Instagram. The ID is Raj Roy DJ, because I'm a DJ as well, and just follow me up and stay connected. And you can anyways follow and see all the updates regarding my travels also, plus my DJ life as well, because apart from being a traveler, I'm a DJ as well. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, this train, basically I'll give you some information regarding it. This starts from Howrah at 5:45 in the morning and reaches Pune the next day at 9:40 in the morning. It has got 7 stops in between, and the first stop is going to come at 8:50 AM. That is Tata Nagar. So it's almost 6 o'clock now. I'm going to go back to my seat, and from what I've read, that catering has started, so we'll be getting food and drinks hopefully. So once I get something, tea or breakfast or whatever, I'll update you with that, and then after that I'll meet you in Tata Nagar, and we'll see the amazing route in between as well. So enjoy the journey, guys.
OnePlus itu.
So guys, we're going in a AC 3 tire, and in that what happens actually, for those of you who don't know, we have like 3 seats, 1, 2, which folds up at night like that, and the third one, and here we got 2 seats, one below, one above. आपका बेहाला सीट, आप
पुणे में रहता है.
पुणे में रहते हैं, वीडियो में आएंगे, ठीक है? तो ये भाई मिले हैं. आपका नाम क्या हुआ? आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम मुख्तार.
मराठी? अच्छा, बंगाली. ओके ओके. तो पुणे में रहते हैं. हम लोग फ़ोन की बात कर रहे थे, वीडियो की बात कर रहे थे. सो इट्स व्हाट आई मेंट इज दैट I met this gentleman out here and we were talking about phone, and he stays in Pune as well, so it's always good to have nice company when you're traveling. Your journey becomes more interesting when you have a partner to talk to. It's a long journey and you need good company. Guys, we're crossing the Kolaghat bridge right now, and we are passing by the Kolaghat area now. So guys, I've got an update, a little bad update you can say, not very bad. The catering has started, but not the entire complimentary what it used to be before COVID in Duranto. Like they used to give water and tea and meals, which was included in the ticket price, and they used to give it pretty regularly. So that is not started yet. That will start later. They are saying maybe from next month. The catering is there. They'll come. They'll ask you what you want to have. You pay and have it. So just now, I paid $20 and got my first water bottle, and I'll have my breakfast, lunch, everything. So I was thinking it was like earlier times that, you know, like everything is in the ticket and they'll keep on coming and giving you snacks and food and water. It's not like that. It's everything is available in pantry, but it's chargeable, so it's fine. So we'll enjoy the meals, and I'll tell you what I'm going to eat next in breakfast. See you soon. And we are entering Kharagpur right now, and this has got one of India's longest platforms, and this is actually the first major stop which we'll be skipping. I won't call it a stop, say a first major station basically, which we will be skipping. So usually all trains stop here, but yeah, Duranto doesn't. We'll directly stop in our first stop at Tata Nagar at 8:50. So this is a very major station, and we are not going to stop here. So you can imagine, like, you know,
This is one thing with Duranto. You can call it an advantage that or disadvantage. Somebody wants to get down here, it's a disadvantage for them. But usually it's an advantage that even such good stations like Kharagpur, such important stations are there. Still, it doesn't stop. Imagine like from here to Pune, in between only it stops at 7 places only. So yeah, that way, like there are a lot of benefits. Like a lot of unwanted people can't come up, and timing is also maintained, and the travel time is also less, because less stops means obviously we'll cover the journey faster. Normal trains have like around 30-40 stoppages between Howrah to Pune, so you can imagine the difference. Some trains even have 50 stoppages, that way you can imagine. So yeah, we're crossing Kharagpur station right now. So after this I'll just take a small nap, because I only slept for 1.5 hours at night, and you could see that on my face as well. Like in the beginning of the video, I was damn tired. My face is swollen like anything because of cold and no sleep. So I'll just get a couple of hours sleep, and I'll see you at Tatanagar at 8:50. I'll have my good proper sleep after that, but right now even a couple of hours sleep is good enough. So see you. And we are passing Kharagpur. The platform is really long. Kharagpur is also famous for its IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. Alright, so just now I told you that I was thinking of about to go to sleep, but we already are having tea right now. Chai is coming, so we'll have chai. Ek chai de dijiye. So yeah, we'll have a cup of hot tea, and after that probably I'll take a small nap. I won't even call it a sleep. I'll probably sleep after Tatanagar only. So guys, time to enjoy our first tea in this journey. Cheers. And nothing beats having a hot cup of tea in a train journey. Delicious. So now you can imagine how much I love tea. I had a tea some time back. I'm having another one right now. Why? He was saying adrak wali chai, that means ginger tea. So yeah, that was the dipped one. This is pre-made ginger tea. I really love tea, especially in trains. So guys, we're passing Khemsoli station, and this is the unfortunate stretch where a major train accident happened in 2010. It was Janeshwari accident. So that was Janeshwari Express, and between the station we just passed and next station called Sardia. So in this stretch, that unfortunate accident happened. It was a very major tragedy. Guys, look at this. The bogies are still here of that unfortunate train accident. So disturbing to see this even after 11 years. Let's pray for a moment for all the lives which we had lost in that accident. You can Google Janeshwari train accident 2010. You'll get all the details. So let me quickly show you how my seat looks like and the facilities available. We have a charging point. We have a light switch. Pretty comfortable. So basically, for people who don't know, or for international and foreigner guests coming in India, I'll tell you the difference between AC3 tire and 2 tire. Okay, firstly, as I told you, there are 3 seats in AC3 tire. We are traveling by 3 tire right now. You know, that side 3 seats. This side, obviously, it's 2 only, whether AC3 tire or 2 tire, but that side, the longer seats, we have 3 over there. In AC2 tire, we'll have only 2. So that means we'll have more space to sit over there, and the seats are a little wider too. So overall, you don't have 6 passengers over there. You know, instead of having 6, you'll have only 4. Second big difference is I'm lying down right now, but my leg is touching the wall over there. But in AC2 tires, the seat is a bit longer, so for tall people it becomes better. This is also good enough, my legs are straight, but yeah, it's still touching. In AC2 tire it won't touch also, and the seats are more wider, so that's the difference. So we are approaching Tata Nagar, and we'll reach there in a few minutes. So guys, we have reached our first stop, Tata Nagar. So let's just head out and explore the platform a bit. So we are right on time over here, and I didn't sleep at all because I was having tea, and the sleep would have been incomplete kind. So now I'll have a good breakfast after this, and then I'll take my nap and sleep. Pretty clean platform. This is our first stoppage. So Tata Nagar basically is the name of railway station, but it actually serves the city of Jamshedpur, and is the major railway station here. And the scheduled arrival time is 8:50, and we reached right on time. It's going to stay here for 10 minutes and it's going to leave at 9 o'clock. So now we're departed from Tata Nagar and we continue our journey and I'm gonna have my breakfast hopefully in some time now, as soon as somebody comes to sell it. Alright, so time for some breakfast, and the person from pantry car, of course, from the train. So he was selling this bread cutlet. I asked him if omelette is there. He said the omelette person will come in some time. So yeah, maybe I'll have it later, but the omelette one later. But as of now, let me try this bread cutlet. It looks good. So yeah, let me enjoy my meal. So I'm eating this, and this bread cutlet is quite nice, fresh and tasty. So after having bread cutlet some time back, now we got bread omelette as well. So time to eat this and finish your breakfast. So guys, I'm done with my breakfast and it's time for some small nap. Maybe a longish nap as well. Let's see. Ta-ta. Hey guys, what's up? So I had a nice nap and now I'm going to have my lunch, and I'll show you what I'm eating. Okay, so time for my lunch, and this looks absolutely awesome. We got rice, we got achar, we got paratha, then we have a mixed veg, and we have got the fish. So they have given this achar or pickle, you can say, in this pouch, and all this costed rupees 160 only. So yeah, good enough and hygienic, prepared in train itself in the pantry. So let me enjoy my meal while you enjoy the video. And guys, I'm done with my lunch, and let me tell you, the food was absolutely amazing. And one tip for you, if you're traveling, try and have it from the pantry cart only, because they make it fresh and it's more hygienic compared to if you have it from people coming in selling randomly from stations or from outside the station, something like that. Better to have it in the train itself, especially if you're traveling by a good train like Duronto. So keep that in mind. So we're bypassing Champa station right now. So guys, we are approaching our second stop, Bilaspur, and we are running late by half an hour. The scheduled arrival was 2:55 and it's 3:25 right now. But that's not an issue with Duronto, because whenever it gets a little bit late, it usually covers it up. So yes, I'll see you on the platform. Bilaspur basically is very nicely coming up industrial town. There's mining also out here, and it was named by one fisherwoman lady called Bilasa some 100-200 years back. maybe even more. I don't remember exactly, but yeah, long back. There was a woman called Bilasa, fisher woman, and then this town was named Bilaspur. So here we are at Bilaspur. Let's just go out and maybe check out some hot cup of tea. Let's see. So here we are right at Bilaspur. It's the second stop, and behind me my train is there, and the stoppage is there for 10 minutes. So let me just have a hot cup of tea. Pretty crowded here. भाई साहब एक कॉफ़ी दीजिए, एक चाय है, एक चाय दे दीजिए. So I got my cup of tea from that stall outside, and I'm going to relish and enjoy my tea right now. Yes, nothing beats a good ginger tea, especially in your railway journeys. Delicious. And after a stop of 10 minutes, we have now departed from Bilaspur.
Chai piyo cha. Chai garam chai. Chai piyo chai cha. Chai garam chai.
And we have departed from Bilaspur. Our next stop will be at Raipur, and the scheduled time for Raipur is 4:35, but as you know we are running late by around half an hour. So yeah, let's see what time we reach there.
बोली बेटा तो कम ना ये मोने गला ना दिखे बाल लड़ना थी ठीक है तो व्हाट्सएप नंबर दे पड़पन साथ में घुमा के फिर रेलवे चला जाएंगे
We have reached our third stop, that is Raipur, and we are still running late by half an hour. We should have been here by 4:35. But we reached here half an hour late. The stoppage here is just for 2 minutes till I'll just go out to the platform a bit. and exactly after 2 minutes stopping here at 5:15 we have now departed from Raipur. So it's evening time now, pretty soon it will be dark. Our next stop will be Nagpur at 8:50. One thing I must say, the temperatures are pretty comfortable in Duronto. Like, it's AC but not too cold and not too hot as well. Perfect temperature. So very comfortable. For our foreigner guests coming to India, I will say take some experience for short journeys in a sleeper class, but for long distance like this, I'll say go by Duronto only. भैया अदरक वाली चाय दीजिए एक.
अदरक वाली चाय चाय.
I love these adrak chai for 10 rupees. Just 1 second. So I was saying that long distance. Cheers, guys. Cheers. For long distance, it's better to take either Duronto, Rajdhani, these kind of trains, or even if you take normal trains, better take the AC coaches. You don't need to buy the costly 2-tier or 1-tier ones, 1 AC ones. Not 1 tier, sorry, it's 1 AC. It's called AC first class. So, and the bogies are written as HA1, basically higher AC1. So you don't need to buy those or buy AC2 tires. You can buy these AC3 tires. It's good enough. And if you do advance booking, you can select SL or SU at the time of booking. SU means side upper, SL means side lower. That is the upper berth, that is the middle berth, that is the lower berth. This is side lower and this is side upper. So this is my favorite berth, side lower. Full privacy. This gentleman is sleeping over there on middle berth, but right now just sitting here for the moment. Otherwise this entire seat is all by myself. Guys, once again, do like and subscribe, and time to have my evening chai. So time to enjoy my evening tea with this lovely view out there. Just check it out. So Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh, and this city is developing and growing pretty fast. It's already pretty developed by now and it's growing even more. A few years back, this was very badly affected, this area, by Naxals and all. But now there's peace and everyone is happy, and that is how it should be. End of the day, everyone needs to grow and prosper, and peace and brotherhood is important. So I've heard really nice things about the city and people, and yeah, it's booming pretty well. Best wishes to the city to grow and come up even more. Let's continue this journey. Well, it's time for my dinner. I'm having a egg chow mein, and I really like these chow meins when I travel in this train. They make very fresh in the pantry, and it's almost night. So I don't eat very heavy at night, so I won't be having much after this. This is my dinner. So let's enjoy the meal. It's already dark right now, and I'm chit-chatting with this young boy out here. And it's already dark out here, and I'm chit-chatting with my friend out here. And he's also a nice gentleman I met. Hello. Had you sleep? और बोलो भाई, मजा आ रहा है? सही है. So I'll probably have another cup of tea, and that will be my final tea for the day. And I'll see you at Nagpur, guys. 8:50 is the scheduled time. The training's running late by 20-30 minutes. Let's see when we get there. Guys, we finally reached the Orange City, Nagpur. But it's a dark right now. Let me try and have a tea somewhere. Let me see. Well, I came back inside because the train is about to start. So maybe I'll wait for some tea guy to come inside. So we have departed from Nagpur, and it's almost 9:30 at night. The train is running late by half an hour even now. And yeah, we're done for the day. I'm going to go and sleep after this, and we're going to miss 2 stations at night. Anyways, it will be dark, and those stations are Bhusawal and Manmad. Bhusawal comes at 1:45 at night, and Manmad comes around 4 o'clock. So we're going to miss those 2. And I'll directly meet you in the morning around 8 o'clock at Dawn Station. Obviously, I'll meet you before that if I get up. Else directly at Dawn Station, we'll catch up. So have a good night, guys. Good morning, people. So I'm up now, and we have almost reached Dawn. I'm having my tea now. And we're just in the downed outer, and this is the last stop before the final stop, Pune. The best part is, as I told you yesterday, that it was not a worry that train was running late by half an hour, because it will cover up. It did exactly that. Train is now covered up, and it's running right on time. And at 9:40 sharp, we'll reach Pune. Morning tea is amazing. One thing I must tell you, that the journey has been absolutely comfortable. I'll tell you more about it once we reach. So just about half an hour from reaching Pune. These are the outskirts of Pune. I must tell you all that Pune is one of the most, rapidly growing cities in India. In fact, it's already grown so much in past 5-10 years. And Pune is one of my favorite cities as well. The train is right on time, and we'll be there in around half an hour. One thing which I'll add for the people who take interest in real estate is that you can see like all these areas were originally like farming lands or villages. You can still see some lands, agricultural lands there, but you can see the city growing as well. So what Pune has done is it's grown outward like anything in all the directions. It's purchased lands from farmers and agricultural lands, and it's developing there. So yeah, it's developing really fast. There's a lot of land available around Pune to grow.
हम क्या पुलिस लेके बाहर आ जाएंगे क्या करेंगे? नहीं सामान जाना नहीं। चलो ठीक रुकेगा। आओ तुम्हारा
What's up, guys? So finally we reached our destination, Pune, and let me tell you, this journey was so absolutely amazing. One of the most comfortable train journeys I ever had. I'll give thumbs up to this Duronto Express Howrah Pune one. You will love it traveling by it. Best train in this route.
Well, that's it, guys. We've reached our destination, Pune. It was an amazing journey. Do like and subscribe and give a thumbs up.
And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.
Alright, guys. So here we are in Pune.
Try and take you to the forward of the train so that I can show you the engine.
Alright, Sai, this is the engine by which we came, and it is absolutely amazing.